Already scanned the QR code, let's get started. Okay. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me begin by introducing our team members. My name is Ranat Punyae, and I'm also here with my talented team members, starting with Miss Konkanonut Ong, Miss Ithipon Kunsawat, and Miss Anisara Masi. We are second students majoring in English at Kasetsat University. We are here today to present an amazing idea that exists in the world, the blockchain. We divided our talk into 4 parts. First, we will look into the history and how blockchain works. Second, we will talk about how it can enhance privacy and trust. Third, we're going to look into the challenges that blockchain might face in real-world applications. And finally, the prediction about blockchain in protecting personal information in the future. Our talk should take about 15 minutes, and please do not worry about taking notes. We will be handing out a copy of our presentation later. Okay, let's get started with our first point. The history and how blockchain work. So, now today the technology has advanced dramatically. We develop new things to be modern and add new features to meet the endless needs of consumers, and one of these is blockchain, an innovation invented by Satoshi Nakamoto. He is also the one who created Bitcoin as the first digital currency in history. He believed that everyone can transfer and hold money without any intermediaries. Okay, so a blockchain allows Bitcoins to do things that no one has done before. It allows us to have a system that no longer relies on any intermediaries, or we call it a trustless system. And the Bitcoin network is the best example for this system. The blockchain is a distributed database or ledger shared across computers' network nodes. Moreover, the blockchain is best known in their crucial role in cryptocurrency, maintaining a secure and decentralized record transactions. We can use blockchains to make the data in any industry immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or changed. And since the block can be changed, we can the only trust needed is at the part where the user enters data, and this reduces the need for trusted third parties. So, to be better understand about blockchain, here's more information about it. The blockchain is a type of shared database that differs from typical database in the way it stores information. This means the blockchain stores information in blocks linked together via cryptocurrency, and in the Bitcoin case, the blockchain is decentralized, meaning no single person or group has control, and the entire data is immutable. Okay, to summarize all of my points, the blockchain is created by Satoshi Nakamoto and is fundamentally a distributed decentralized database that stores information in linked blocks using cryptocurrency. Its main core is to eliminate the intermediaries, allowing a permanent and decentralized record transactions. And let's move to another point. After you, Ms. Anisara.
Okay, in the next topic, I'm going to talk about how blockchain enhance privacy and trust. In today's digital world, keeping personal data safe and building trust online are really important. Traditional systems are often weak and can be attacked. But blockchain technology offers a decentralized and transparent way to manage data. So, we will explore how blockchain protects privacy and trust in the following example. First, blockchain enhances data security. Customer data on blockchain is encrypted and distributed across a vast network of computers, making it extremely difficult to hack or breach. Customers have full control over who can access to their data and can grant permissions only to specific individuals or organizations. Second is improved transparency. All transactions are recorded and can be verified by anyone in the network. This enables customers to track how their data is used and ensures that it is not being misused. Third is increased customer control. Customers can manage their own data on the blockchain. They can decide who has access to their information, how it is used, and how long it is stored. Fourth, blockchain provides greater efficiency. Blockchain can help and improve the efficiency of customer data management Since the data is stored digitally, it is easier to search and access. Furthermore, blockchain reduces data redundancy and ensures that the data is accurate and up to date. And the last one is enabling smart contract for automated trust. Smart contract on blockchain automatically carry out agreements, so there is no need for middlemen and fewer arguments happens. According to BCG, they can cut contract costs by up to 50%. For example, Ethereum. Smart contracts are used in industry to handle insurance claims, giving fast and clear payouts. This process builds consumer trust because agreements are done as promised without having people to manage them. So let me wrap up by saying that it is very important for us to use blockchain technology to protect our privacy. In conclusion, blockchain can enhance privacy and trust in several key ways. 1. Enhancing data security. 2. Improving transparency. 3. Increasing customer control. 4. Providing greater efficiency. And 5. Enabling smart contract for automated trust. These examples demonstrate the real proof of how blockchain can strengthen both privacy and trust. And the most important thing to remember is it is very essential for us to use the right tools to protect our data and ensure that we can trust in them. So this point proves that blockchain can give us more confidence in its ability to improve privacy and build trust. Okay, let's move on to the next point. So we met on today to discuss with you about the challenges of blockchain that face the real-world applications. Did you know that blockchain is often called revolutionary because it should share how we build trust, share data, and create digital interactions without depending on traditional central authority. But in real life, it has several problems that we need to understand. So today, I will provide you 5 challenges of blockchain step by step. Then we start with the first problem is scalability. That means how a system can go and handle more work. Traditional payment systems like Visa can process thousands of transactions every second, but Bitcoin, Ethereum can do less than 20 per second. If Visa is a wide open highway with free-flowing traffic, while Bitcoin, Ethereum are highway require certain traffic. Let's move forward to our second problem, which is energy use. Some blockchains like those need proof of work, need a lot of electricity. For example, Bitcoin uses more power than some countries. As you can see on the screen, here is the chart show the percentage of the energy consumption in Czech Republic. Because the country has supported in Bitcoin, this was will result in the higher energy consumptions compared to other countries. This makes us wonder if blockchain can go in a way that is good for the environment. Next is privacy and security. Blockchain is safe but not perfect. All transactions are public and with analysis. They can be linked to real people. Smart contracts can also have mistakes, and hackers have used this error to steal money. Since blockchain record cannot be changed, mistakes cannot be corrected. Next is a legal and regulatory issue. Different countries have different rules for blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrencies. Some accept them, while others ban or limit them. As you can see on the screen, the green area are the countries that accept Bitcoin. The gray area are the countries that have national sites. The red area are the countries that ban Bitcoin. This confuse businesses and slow down adoptions. Blockchain is also conflict with some laws. For example, the EU GDPR gave people the right to be forgotten, but blockchain record cannot be deleted. Finally, there are adoptions and user barrier. Blockchain is safe but not perfect. Finally, there are adoptions and user barrier. Blockchain is not always easy for normal user. Managing private key and digital wallet is difficult. If you lose your key, you lose money forever, unlike a bank where you can reset your passwords. Because of this, many people not feel safe using blockchain for important payments. Well, we have seen that blockchain is innovative but also comes with real challenges. Before I stop, let me go through the main point again: scalability, energy use, privacy, security, legal issue, and adoption barriers. These are the 5 key problems for blockchain backed, but I believe that with collaboration between developers, businesses, and governments, these challenges can be solved. Blockchain is powerful and promising, and if we work together, it can become not just a technology trend, but a real solutions that benefit people all over the world. Now, let's move forward to our next issue.
The last topic is prediction about blockchain in protecting personal information. Nowadays, blockchain can store a lot of data and is the safest program for hackers or whoever hacks our data without our consent. In the future, we will be able to archive all our personal information of a person and will automatically delete the information whenever that person passes away. This is an important part to prevent impersonation and to prevent wasting information storage because archiving too much information can cause global warming. Blockchain might not be only just a program, but will be the convenient equipment that is practical in daily life, such as equipment that can show real-time personal information and accessibility. So we are glad to present the blockchain hologram watch, a hologram watch that connects our personal information with blockchain technology. It allows an owner to be the only person to see the information of our own, such as health information, blood group type, and identification number for owners that can remember suddenly need it. Another outstanding feature is the easiest way to see the personal information. You must scan an iris to verify your identity to prevent invasion of personal information by other people. In addition, this watch does not use a lot of energy, which is environmentally friendly because it uses solar power. Normally, data collection and processing uses a lot of energy, leading to greenhouse gases that cause global warming. Moreover, automatically delete personal information when the owner passes away to prevent impersonation, and it will remove itself in every online platform. In case the watch is stolen, the owner can activate self-destruction to delete all the information that linked to the watch. Well, this brings me to the end of my presentation. Blockchain is a technology that keeps data safe and allows people to share data without middlemen. Beyond cryptocurrency, it protects personal data, gives user control, and makes transactions reliable. For benefits, secure, transparent, user control, efficient, and support smart contract. For challenges, can be slow, energy consuming, have privacy risk, unclear law, and be hard to use. Blockchain is not just for today. It can make our data safer, life easier, and the world more sustainable. For the most important thing is privacy and trust that blockchain gives to us. And this is our own references. Thank you for your attention. If anyone has any question, please feel free to ask.
How can we trust the blockchain?
Excuse me, I have a question.
นั่นแหละเพื่อนผิด
I'm sorry, please add one by one. Who's gonna ask first?
เพื่อนถามก่อนก็ได้เอาเลย
Okay. So, okay.
You mentioned trustless system. What is it?
Oh, a trustless system is a system that allowing us to no longer rely on any intermediaries. For example, you can hold and transfer money by your own without going to the bank. And I hope that would answer your questions. Yes?
As you said earlier, you were talking about user error. I wonder what you mean by that.
Blockchain is not always easy for normal user. Managing private key and digital wallet is difficult. If you lose your key, lose money forever. Any questions? How can we trust the blockchain? Okay, as I said earlier, we can trust in them because 1. It's enhancing data security, 2. Is improving transparency, 3. Is increasing customer control, 4. Is providing greater efficiency, and 5. Is enabling smart contract automated trust. So this is the reason why we can trust in them.
And my question is, what do you think blockchain hologram watch will be useful in the future?
Because personal information is important, especially when you do something that you need to verify yourself, such as house registration or driving license.
Are there any questions? Okay, if there are no more questions, then that's it for our presentation. Thank you so much for your attention.